thyroid issue, it's here. So what we need to do, basically, you can include all of the exercise in yoga, which will focus on your neck area, basically. Okay, so it's not like you do not need to remember like which are the exercises or this and that. You can understand the logic behind it, that whatever exercise will help you or strength stretches your neck area, this area, and it will improve the blood circulation inside here, and that will be helpful. Those exercises will be helpful. So very first you will say, this is neck up and down. When you inhale, when you stretch your neck upward, you have to inhale so that the blood circulation, air circulation will pass to this area and it will inhale. Okay. During inhalation, it will increase the air supply and it will help to stimulate your thyroid gland. Like this. Second exercise is your camel exercise. Camel is also camel pose is also help in stretching this neck area. I'll show you how to do that. You have to and like this. Okay, you have to make some space between your both of the feet, and then you have to stand like this. Okay, and so if you can see here, this is also, it helps. This Ustrasana or camel pose is basically is have a multiple benefits, not just for the thyroid, but also for your back, for your lower belly, for your strengthening your calf muscles. You can come back to your base position again. Whenever you do exercise, try to sit in this position. It will help you increase the mobility in your lower limbs as well. But if you will not, it's okay. So this is that was the second exercise. Third exercise, it's a bonus. It's a fish pose, Matsyasan. That is also help you to increase or stretches your neck muscles and stimulate your thyroid gland. So how you can do it, you have to sit, you have to lie down. Okay, you have to lie down like this, and you have to raise your head like this and touch your center of the head to the ground, and you can see my chest area will be upward, my neck will be stretches, and this will stimulate or increase the air supply in my neck region. Thumb rule is, for thyroid or for neck related issues, you can include any exercises which focus on your neck region. Okay, thank you. Bye.